Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my food cart. Today I am making sweet vermicelli without adding milk in it. These are so delicious and easy to make. I am using full pack of roasted vermicelli. I will show you the pack, and the net weight of this pack is 150 grams. What else we need to make it? Sugar half cup, oil 1/4 cup, water 2 cups, green cardamom 3, cardamom powder half teaspoon, sliced almond 1 tablespoon. So let's make delicious vermicelli with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In a pan, add oil and turn on the flame. Then add 3 cardamoms. And fry them on medium-low flame for 2 minutes. Then add sugar and mix them together. Keep the flame very low and add water in it slowly. Mix it and let it boil on high flame. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It start boiling after 1 minute. Now add vermicelli in it. Keep the flame medium-low and mix them together to coat sugar syrup on them. Then add cardamom powder and let them cook for 4 minutes on very low flame. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. After 4 minutes, the delicious vermicelli are ready. Garnish them with almonds and dish out them with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, so yummy vermicelli are ready to enjoy. You will definitely love them, inshallah. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, My Food Cart, and follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.